Hello everyone, greetings. My name is Muhammad Alfiqih Rowandy Yunus with official study number is A1M224056. And today I will present about creating website for web-based language learning. This topic is related to call because it shows how technology can support in English learning in a practical way. So let's go into it. First, what is web-based language learning? It is a way of learning a language by using websites and internet technology. With this method, students can access learning materials anytime and anywhere without being limited by classroom time. It also helps students learn independently because they can study at their own pace and repeat the lessons whenever they need. Now, let's see at the classification of educational websites. There are four main types, which are the first is an informative website, which is provide lessons, notes, grammar, explanation, and vocabulary list. And the second is an interactive website, which contain quizzes, games, exercise, and feedback. And the third is multimedia website, which use videos, audio, image, and animation. And the last is a communication website, which supports discussions, forums, chat, or speaking practice. So these classifications show that websites can be used in different ways depending on the learning purpose. So, let's go next. So, why do we use a website for language learning? First, it gives easy access anytime and anywhere. And second, the learning materials are organized in one place, so students can find them easily. Third, the design can make learning more attractive and interactive. It also allows students to learn at their own pace, and it saves time and paper. Next, let's see the steps to create a free website. First, choose a free website platform such as Google Sites, Wix, or WordPress, and etc. Second, register an account, which is a Gmail or Google account. And third, select a template or design that fits your topic. And fourth, add your learning materials. And finally, publish and share the website. Right? Okay, a good learning website should contain several important parts. Okay, the first is homepage. Homepage introduces yourself and explains the aim of the website. And second is the instructions. The instruction section tells learners how to use the website. And next, the teaching materials section contains the lessons and explanation. Also, the exercise section provides practice, activities, and quizzes. And lastly, the tips section gives extra information to help learners improve. Let's see the example. For my website, I choose vocabulary learning. This topic is simple, useful, and easy for students to practice. The contents can include daily vocabulary, animal vocabulary, and food vocabulary. It can also include matching words and pictures, fill in the blanks too, and also a pronunciation audio to make the lesson more interesting. Okay, this kind of website has many benefits for students. They can learn anytime and anywhere. It also improves digital literacy because students use technology while learning English. A website can increase motivation, encourage independent learning, and make the learning process more enjoyable. Of course, there are also some challenges. Students need an internet connection to access the website. Some learners may also need basic technical skills to use it properly. Sometimes students may lose focus when learning online, so the content should be clear and engaging. What? Yeah. And another challenge is that the website needs regular web updates. Okay. In my opinion, creating a website is very useful. It helps improve creativity and digital skills. It also makes it easier for teachers to share materials with students. For me, this experience shows that language learning can be modern, flexible, and more interesting. I think it is also useful for future my future teaching career. Right. All right. For conclusion, websites are useful tools for language learning. They support flexible and interactive learning, and free platforms make website creation easier. With a good design and clear content, both teacher and students can benefit from it. Thank you guys for watching this presentation. That is all for me. I hope this presentation is useful and see you in the next lesson.